Hey, how you doing? Austin here. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Here's what I want to do for you guys in this video. I want to have just a frank discussion with you about Dogecoin. Now, I will say up front, I am very bullish on Dogecoin. I own Dogecoin. I consider myself to be part of the Doge army. You guys know who are subscribers of my channel, have been here with me for a long time now. Actually, a long time is last month. Is that I have done a ton of Dogecoin videos and that I love Doge. And that's really what I want to talk to you about. I want to talk to you about the fact that right now it's a hard time to be in Dogecoin. I will say up front, guys, it's a hard time to be in the overall crypto market right now. The last 10 days or so have been no fun at all. And there's been trillions of dollars, trillion, I don't know, something like, it's a lot. I can't remember if it's a double trillion or, but anyway, there's been a lot of money wiped out in the overall crypto market. And it is one of those scenarios. I did a couple of videos yesterday. I think that the overall market right now is being manipulated. I think the overall market is being pushed down by institutional buying and selling and things of that nature in it. And all of it is intended, frankly, to separate us from our cryptocurrency, period. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, all of it. I think that that is what is going on. I think the media is kind of bought into it a little bit. Not, they're not complicit. I don't think that there's some major conspiracy out there. I think that this is just a standard scenario that's playing out. And I did a video the other day talking about the Wyckoff method and things of that nature. And all of that is part of this. I think that we've just kind of got this whole storm of negative things happening to the overall crypto market that is impacting Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, all of the major, all of the major ones, Cardano, etc., you name it. And so I wanted to come to you guys and have a just discussion with you and say that I'm here for you. I'm going to continue to be here for you. I'm holding. I'm hodling. It's hard for me to say, hodling. I'm not going away. I think that you, and I would advise you, depending upon your strategy, not investment advice, I'm not letting them separate me from my crypto. Meaning, I'm not going to let anybody push me out. I'm not going to leave the overall market because I tend to be a long-term holder, buyer and then hold. I tend to be that way. I bring that from my stock guys. I bring that from my stock times. Oh man, I can't get that out. I bring that from the 30 plus years of stock investing advice, right? In scenario. Scenario is my new word of the day, by the way. You can see I've said it like 18 times. I bring that mentality. Now in crypto, I do kind of both. I do short-term trades, like I might get in, I might buy one, get into it for a while, and then I'll get out of it maybe in 12 hours. I don't do day trading, I don't do swing trading, but it might be like a 12-hour, 24-hour period kind of thing. And then I will also buy and I will hold. I do kind of both. And my point to you is this, is that right now it's hard. It's hard to be in any crypto right now. It's hard to be in the entire cryptocurrency market right now. It's tough. And I wanted to tell you that I get it. I wanted to tell you that I absolutely understand where you're coming from. You're sitting there in your apartment, your house, and you're constantly refreshing your screen, or you're on YouTube looking for more information about your favorite crypto and what's going on, and you're just trying to figure it out, and you're asking yourself, should I get out? Should I get out? Is it crashing? Is it and I want you to know I get it. I want you to know that that I truly understand, and that's why it's one reason I'm still here every single day, bringing you these videos right now when it's the bad time. Okay, I'm not going anywhere, by the way. I'm front and center. I'm not running from you guys. Not that you think I am, but that's not what I meant. But my point to you is I'm going to not go away. I'm going to be here standing firm and standing tall and saying, you know what, I'm going to continue to put money in right now. And I have. I'm going to continue to buy additional bullish positions in certain cryptos because, frankly, it's hard to do. But putting money putting money in when the market is down is how you really, really do well. Do I think we're in the middle of a crash? No, I don't. I don't think that the crypto market is crashing. I think that a lot of the money has left the market and gone elsewhere short term. And you've got a lot of stuff going on. I mean, gas prices are rising. The cost of groceries are rising. You've got a lot of uncertainty and doubt related to coming out of COVID. We're gradually starting to kind of come back in, and jobs are coming back to the market. All of those things are kind of swirling there, right? I mean, and take a step back and look at your own life. You've got, I'm sure that you've got, stuff going on in your life, and then you've got the media right here. You turn on the TV or you look online, and a lot of it is not good right now, and it creates this kind of environment of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. FUD, right? It absolutely creates that kind of environment, and that's hard to be in. It's hard to sit there and look at maybe a position that you're in Doge, and you're down $1,000 or whatever the number, and you're down, and you're like, and you're just sitting there going, man, should I just take my losses and move on? That's up to you. I'm not taking any losses, and I'm not moving on. I'm not. Now I've said this point blank. I have more of my money is in, traditional stocks, ETF, index funds. I have bonds, guys. I realize those bonds are boring, but you know what? Bonds do really, really well when the market is down overall. And again, they're a good hedge versus, anyway, that's a whole different discussion as far as investing and things like that. But my point to you is this, is that, yes, I have a fair amount of money, a good amount of money in crypto. But my point is that not every dollar I own is in crypto. Not every dollar I have is in Dogecoin or Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever it may be. I minimize my risk. So I spread the money around, right? But I wanted to have this dialogue with you. I wanted to just talk to you. I didn't want to show you charts and graphs and all this stuff. I wanted you to know that I'm here standing with you. And I wanted you to know that this is a community. It's not just videos where you come and watch them in the comments below. This is a community. And I want you to know that I hear you, I see you, I understand, and that I sympathize. And not sympathize, empathize. I'm not giving you my sympathy. I don't pity you. I don't pity any of us. I empathize with you. I think that's the right word. That right use of that word. Yeah, because this is hard right now. It is, and I want you to know that I get it. I mean, it's hard to look at the Dogecoin chart. It's hard to look at the chart for any crypto. It's hard to look at your account and see red, and it sucks. It does. It's not fun. Okay. But I would tell you my opinion is this. Take all that, everything I just said, say, okay, yep, and put it over here for a minute. Your feelings and your emotions and all of those things, and put them over just to the side for a minute. Then kind of take a step back and go, okay, are there any opportunities? Are there any opportunities here that I should be looking at? And maybe there are. That's how I've looked at it. I've looked at it, once I kind of let my emotions and kind of the overall kind of pissed off factor and all this kind of stuff, I then take a step back. I've gone, okay, you know what? I'm done being mad for a little bit. I might be mad later and have a beer later, things like that. But let's go shopping. Let's go look and see what's going on. And that's what I've done for me. And that's how I've looked at it. So I've kind of looked at it and gone and said, okay, you know what? I'm going to go and I'm going to buy a little bit more Polygon and Cardano and things like that. Now, those are just two that I mentioned that I have picked up additional positions in. And I've bought a little bit more Dogecoin. I mean, at these levels, 29 cents, this is where we're at right now, which we crashed. We passed 30 cents. That's a major support line we crossed over. And so I've picked up a few, additional, positions at this, dollar cost averaging, things like that. Because I still firmly believe in the long-term viability of Doge. I still think we all have all that. We have everything out there that's still there. So again, guys, I just wanted to have a frank and honest discussion with you. Hope you've enjoyed this. I'm always here for you. I'll see you down the road. Bye.